Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the browser dev tools and switching to the network panel. This captures live traffic. Make sure Preserve Log and Disable Cache are enabled so requests aren't missed. Now reload the page and watch the stream of entries populate. Once you see entries, begin narrowing what you track. You're preparing the environment so every subsequent inspection shows the real API calls rather than cached assets. You filter the network list to XHR or Fetch to surface API endpoints faster. Then click a promising request and inspect the headers to learn the endpoint, method, and auth tokens. Check payload for sent data and response for return JSON. Once done, copy the request as CURL so you can replay it outside the browser. This step reveals how the front-end communicates and what parameters are required to reproduce the call. You identify the final endpoint and reproduce the call using curl or postman to confirm behavior. Make sure to include the same method, headers, cookies, and body. If the site uses tokens, copy them from the request headers. Once the external test matches the browser response, document the endpoint and required parameters. If something fails, clear cookies or use an incognito window, recapture the request, and verify you included all headers. That single missing header is a common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.